Hello everyone and welcome back to UE5 BP Guru. We're doing a very small tutorial today where we're going to talk about sound attenuation. What is sound attenuation? Well, it basically is what determines the distance in which you can hear a sound and that fall off that is involved with that. So for example, if you had a campfire, which we have a perfectly good campfire sound here. If you have a campfire set up, you're in the real world, you're not going to hear that if you were stood 300 yards away, and you'd hear it. It'd be even quieter if you were 600 yards away, and eventually you're going to move far enough away from it that you're not going to hear it anymore. And there is a radius around the campfire that if you're close enough, you're always going to hear it at its full volume. So if I drag this sound in here, if I now press play, I can hear it no matter where I am because it's in the level. But that's not quite realistic. I don't know why I don't know what's going on with my character there. We'll ignore that. So what I can do is I can right click and go to sounds and create a sound attenuation. We'll call this campfire atten. If we open that up, we can basically, if I drag it over, we can change the sphere size. So anything within the inner radius is where you hear it at full volume. So again, like we spoke about, if you're stood around a campfire, if you're within, let's say, for example, 100 yards, you're probably going to hear it at full volume. No, maybe less than that, 50 yards. You're going to hear it at full volume. So let's say 300 is our 50-yard volume. 3,600 is very, very large. But for our tutorial, we'll make it about 1,000 just to kind of showcase it. So if we click on any sound, and there is an option, you scroll down a little bit for attenuation. We'll click on campfire attenuation, and we're just going to click play. Now we can't hear anything anymore because we've got our attenuation applied. So yeah, I think it doesn't like the figures as much, but if we get closer now, it should get just that little bit louder. It's not the best sound file for this, but also if you're wearing headphones, you'll be able to notice that the attenuation actually allows for you to be able to hear the sound on the left side of you, or if I now turn it on the right side of you, or straight on, you'll hear it in both. So the attenuation also takes care of all of that as well. That's it's called spatialization, and as you got it set to panning. So again, that's what takes care of that directional volume as well. So it makes it very 3D and really adds to your world building. So yeah, hopefully you found this useful. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Much love, take care, bye.